Lost a huge chunk of land here. The fence is not down, but it washed it big time.
Good morning, everybody. This is Danny from Deep South Homestead. We've just had some massive weather through our area. Last few hours we've had close to 5 inches of rain. We've been around to check some of the lower part of the property. We got some fences almost washed completely away. We're going to have some animals that's probably going to get out. We're going to have to wait till the weather's over before we can even go see about anything. We're in the truck now, going to take a look and see if we can figure out what else has been destroyed. Well, I'm just going to turn around here and look at where we just planted our okra. I don't see that coming up at all. It's literally flooded the whole place and washed it completely level. We'll wait and see, but I mean, it'll be days now before we can even consider, you know, getting back into any garden or anything like that. We're going to move around. I think the English peas probably did all right because they were up on trellises.
Green beans looked okay.
Yeah, the green beans, they look okay from a distance over behind the English peas there. They're all still standing up. Tomatoes back there, each one of them look like they're still standing up. Guys, we see here, this is this whole area here, water is still, I have to be careful because I don't want to get stuck in my truck. My four-wheel drive is not working. The fence in the front here, I'm looking at it, got blew out. Wanda got pictures a while ago of the water coming down through here. You can see our blueberries here. Let me get my window down. How it's took debris all down through our blueberries. It's washed a lot of our land away. Water is still actually gushing down through here. It's kind of hard to see. It blew the bottom of our fence out. Debris built up against the fence. It's got the fence post actually pushed over here in one place. The fence is almost down right here with debris built up against it. We're glad to get all that taken care of. I have never in all my years seen it this bad here. I've been here 30-something years. I've never seen it this bad before. Not even after a hurricane have I seen it this bad. This is unprecedented here. I've never seen this. Literally, this has never happened.
And this is going around to our pig pen where I've got pictures. I'm going to show her the pig pen.
Look at this here water. This is going to our cabin. The road going to our cabin is
it's not
like a creek.
Yeah, this is like a creek bottom, and we got to get out of here. But I wanted to show, if I can, how this goes.
This blowed our fence down right yonder almost for the pigs.
Yeah, this is where I've got pictures. I'm going to show them in a few minutes of the pig pen up close.
Ooh,
all this water goes this way. All right, this is coming from our neighbors. They're on a higher spot than we are. Everything from their yard comes into here. It's a natural creek bed from many, many years ago. And this goes around to where we were at just a minute ago, over here, going toward the cabin.